For me, anyways. Well, no, that's a lie.
What's going on, guys? Today we are back with Aaron. Familiar face, not on this location though. We brought Landcruiser to my house so that we can actually work on it. I do a proper video for the YouTube channel, as in case you didn't notice. April didn't have a video. Blame him. Just kidding, it's not his fault. But we're here now. Leaf spring. Hi.
Hey, and it's beautiful out.
Just a friendly reminder of what we're replacing here. That's the main leaf. So day 2 of Landyfest, we've actually got a RFID.
Yeah.
RFID ignition switch so that we don't need to deal with this anymore. So these will be our keys. And yeah, that's what we're starting with. So to it. I'm trying to teach Aaron how to run the camera so that he can record me actually working on it so it doesn't look like he's doing everything on this project. Because he's not. But you know, I'm the only one who knows how to run that thing.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, I'm not very good at this.
Fires up. Meanwhile, Aaron's been working on the other side here, getting the other leaf spring in. The fog lights, the PS, they're mounted, they're wired, they're mint. This side of the axle's rebuilt, new seals, new frame rotor, new wheel bearings. Yeah. Hey, day 3, working on Landy calipers. These, so to conclude Landyfest weekend, we're out taking a rip in Landy. So, Landy just finished her maiden voyage, yeah, how'd you do?
She was great. She handled everything we kind of gave at her.
Yeah, great first trip. We even took it on the highway for a bit on the way back, and it's great. No weird vibrations and stuff. Still a couple more parts we need to get done, but yeah, not bad. Sweet.
Till the next time.
Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace.